Hello, first graders, and welcome to your grammar job for this week. Our target skill today is I can use possessive nouns. You're going to use these possessive nouns in your writing today, boys and girls. So, let's take a look at what a possessive noun is. Nouns, if we remember from last week, are people, places, and things. A noun can be a person, a place, or a thing. A possessive noun is a naming word that shows ownership. So, possessive means to have. It belongs to someone. So, a possessive noun is a person or a place or a thing that belongs to somebody. It might belong to a person, it might belong to an animal, but it's something that belongs to somebody else. For example, here you see a boy. You see a pencil. But when that pencil belongs to the boy, it's a boy's pencil. Do you see what we added to the word boy to show that the pencil belongs to him? We added an apostrophe S. Do this with me, boys and girls. Apostrophe S. So, the apostrophe is like a comma that sits high up above the word. And then you add an S to show that it belongs to the boy. Let's do another example. So, we are going to circle the possessive noun, the word that shows ownership, and underline what is owned, what belongs to that person. So let's read this sentence. The farmer's tractor is big. Who is possessing something in this sentence? It's the farmer. Do you spot the apostrophe S, boys and girls? What belongs to the farmer? The tractor belongs to the farmer. So it's the farmer's tractor. The pig's eraser is purple. Do you spot the possessive noun? The person that is owning something? It's the pig. Did you spy the clues? Apostrophe S. What does the pig own? The pig owns the eraser. The pig's eraser is purple. The cow's flower is pink. The cow's flower is pink. Who is the possessive noun in this sentence? The cow. And what does he own? The flower. We use the apostrophe S to show that the cow owns the flower. The flower belongs to the cow. The horse's saddle is ready. The horses is the possessive noun. And what does the horse possess? What does he have? He has a saddle. The lamb's bow is blue. Lambs is the possessive noun. And what does the lamb possess? The bow. The lamb's bow is blue. The hen's eggs are in the nest. Do you spot the possessive noun? Did you see the apostrophe S on that hen? What does the possessive noun own? What does the hen own? The eggs belong to the hen. The hen's eggs are in the nest. The scarecrow's hat is blue. Do you spot the possessive noun? The scarecrow's hat is blue. The apostrophe S tells us that something belongs to the scarecrow. What belongs to the scarecrow? The hat belongs to the scarecrow. Alrighty, boys and girls, we are going to work together to write our own sentence using a possessive noun. So in this picture, we have a dog. The dog's collar is red. What is my possessive noun? The dog's collar is red. Dogs is my possessive noun because we put an apostrophe S on the end of his name to show that the collar belongs to him. Our next friend here is a rabbit. What belongs to the rabbit? Can you come up with a sentence to describe what belongs to the rabbit? This is my sentence, boys and girls. The rabbit's carrot is large. I added an apostrophe S to the end of the rabbit's name to show that the carrot belonged to the rabbit. And our last friend here, boys and girls, is Mr. Duck. And what belongs to Mr. Duck? Can you think of a sentence using a possessive noun to describe Mr. Duck? My sentence says, the duck's umbrella is wet. Do you see how I added an apostrophe S to show that the umbrella belongs to the duck? All right, boys and girls, thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time.